lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you are well. Thank you so much for dropping in today to see me. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys being here today and spending a little time with me. Happy Sunday to all of you guys, and I wish you guys a fantastic week ahead. I have a haul for you guys today. It's a very simple haul. It's my first haul for 2025. Beauty haul, I think I'm gonna call this. And so we're just gonna get right into this video. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this 100% pure Batana oil. I've seen this all over social media, and I think I should know better by now. When you see something on social media, don't get it. It's all hyped up. But I found this at the Healthy Planet, and this was the last one because it's such a hot seller. And I use this on my units, and I use this on my natural hair as well. And I feel like I'm experiencing a little bit of thickness with this, and I do obviously have some growth. I'm due for a haircut at the end of this month, and I'm just going to keep it short and just one and done and be done with it. And this is 100% pure Batana oil. The ingredients are just pure Batana oil, again, from the Healthy Planet. So I'm liking this so far, and it's going to be down below for you guys. Next, I do have from Miss Elizabeth Grant. This is the Miracle Blow Away, and it comes along with a brush. So of course, if you do have any slight imperfections on your skin that you want to blow away, some crow's feet, some open pores, large pores, whatever the case may be, this is a perfect solution for you. However, I would strongly suggest that you work on your skin imperfections first before using this, because yes, you can go in and you can blow away whatever you want and put your makeup on top, but by the time you remove your makeup, the problems are still there. So I do have this on under my makeup today, and hence the fact that my skin is looking so smooth. I don't have any skin issues anymore because I've worked really hard to get rid of my skin problems, and of course I shared everything with you guys. So this is a perfect solution for blowing away, again, those imperfections. When you've done with your skincare routine, your cleanser, your moisturizer, tone, and all of that, put this on top. This does not have to go all over your face. You can put this just around the mouth, in the middle of the forehead, just in the corner of the eyes, on the forehead, wherever you think you want to be able to blow away some imperfections. This is perfect for you. If you live in Canada, you can get this from the shopping channel, or you can just shop online from Miss Elizabeth Grant, and it comes along with a beautiful brush, so you can tap that in wherever you want. Okay. So next I do have this product here from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm wearing this under my eyes today, hence the fact that you see my face nicely highlighted today. Normally I don't wear highlights because I think for some reason it doesn't look good on me for some reason, but this looks really good. But my suggestion is, when you're using this, make sure you use one little dot. Don't be going in with 1, 2, 3, 4 under your face. All you need to do is just one little dot, and you take your angle brush and you blend this in, because one little dot is a lot. I mean, look at that. It can come across too much for your face. This is just one little dot. It wasn't even a lot. So when I put this on when I was doing my makeup today, I had to remove it because it was so much. And then I just went in with one little dot under my eyes, and this blends out really nicely. So this is what it's going to look like under your eyes. And then I went in with my NYX setting powder, and of course I went in with my face powder as well. But I really like it. It's very soft, very gentle. And what I noticed with this is it doesn't crease under the eyes. It really helps to smooth under your eyes, give your face a beautiful, soft, warm highlight, because I don't like to highlight here, the nose, the forehead. OMG, not for me, in my opinion, but I do like this. It is really, really good. So if you are using this, comment below, let me know if it's working for you. But again, this is a beautiful light shade, and again, elf Camo concealer, and I cannot see what the number is, but it's going to be in the description box for you guys. This highlight looks really good, and of course I went in with my powder today, and if I find that this is just a little bit too much for me, I just like to go over with some powder to just tone that down a little bit. But I think this looks really good. Next, I do have these two lovely products from Miss Elizabeth Grant, and they come in a set of two. And these are the eyelash serum. This one is not open. So what you can do is, I use this twice a day. So you will open this up, put a little bit of this on your brows, and it also goes on your lash line, not on your lashes. It can also go under your bottom lash line as well. Let it dry down. This is a serum, and this is going to help to thicken, maintain your own natural lashes. If you do have extension, that's fine. It's going to help to nurture your normal lashes. And this is also great for your brows as well. It's going to help your brows to be nice and thick and healthy. And this has Jerusalem in it. It has all kinds of wonderful things. It's a skincare treatment for your eyebrows and for your eyelashes. Again, it comes in a pack of 2. It's going to be down below for you guys. Again, if you do live in Canada, you can get this from the shopping channel. Okay. Next, I do have this product here from Revolution. This is a Blur and Prime primer. I am wearing this under my makeup today, hence the fact that my makeup looks so flawless. I'm not wearing any eyeshadows today. I do have my lashes on, powder, concealer, that's it, and a little blush to the side of my face, okay? And I look like I'm wearing a full face of makeup. So I don't use this all over my face. I just go in certain areas because I really don't need any blurring. But if I feel like I want my makeup to look flawless like it is looking today, I will definitely go in with this product. It is my #1 beauty pick already for 2025, and this is featured on my blog, so just go check it out. Absolutely love this product, this and the Miracle Blow Away from Miss Elizabeth Grant. So when I'm also using this product from Elizabeth Grant, I use this on certain areas on my face, and the areas where I don't have this product on, I'm going to go in with my Blow and Prime primer, because I don't want my skin to be too overwhelmed. I just go in with little spot treatments here and there. Absolutely love this product from Revolution, so check it out. And next, I do have this lip gloss from MaxFactor, and this is called Chocolate Nectar. I am wearing this today, but I went in with, I think, Chestnut lip liner. Love this lip gloss so much. I wear this practically every day, and I hope you guys can see. I'm just going to put a little bit on here. You get quite a bit of a high pigmentation with this. This is a concealer that I do have on my hand, guys, sorry. Yeah, so this is the lip gloss right here, and of course I'm wearing this on my lips today. It looks so pretty. And of course I do, again, like I said, I do have the Chestnut lip liner on from MAC, and it looks really, really nice. My simple everyday wear, this product from MaxFactor, beautiful lip gloss. Again, it is called Chocolate Nectar. It's going to be down below for you guys. I do have a sample of this cream from Vichy Lift Active. This is the Collagen Specialist Correction Cream for Wrinkles. And I did not want to get the full size because it's pointless, because I don't have any wrinkles, okay? I'm 60 years old. There is not a single wrinkle on this face, okay? And so I'm trying to keep, I'm sure I'm going to have wrinkles at some point, but I'm trying to keep them at bay, okay? So this is the sample right here. I have been using it just in the corner of my eyes, under my eyes as well, on top of my my eyelids, and just in the corner of my nose. I'm tapping a bit. No, my nose is right here, not here. I put a little bit in the corner of my nose and a little bit on the corner of my mouth as well. And so far, so good. I mean, I don't see a difference because I don't have any wrinkles. But, I mean, you never know when those wrinkles are going to pop up. But I always love the Vichy products. I do have the Vichy Day and Night Cream for Menopausal Skin. I showed you guys those in a video previously. That's amazing when it comes to hydration and hyaluronic acid and all kinds of wonderful stuff. It is just amazing. because of course when you go through menopause your skin gets so dry and you don't feel that plump anymore. That's a really good product to have. But I'm just going to try to see how this one works, and we're just going to take it from there. And the last thing I'm going to show you guys are these castor oil packs. These are from Amazon, and they do have 50 in a pack, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like. This is the product right here, and you just have to open it up like so. Put a couple of drops of castor oil. You put this around your belly button, and if you do have a hot water bottle or a heating pad, put that on top, and that's going to help the castor oil to absorb into the body. Some people tend to go in with like a whole half a bottle of castor oil in their belly buttons. I'm not sure why y'all are doing that. That's not how it works. Just 2 or 3 drops of castor oil in the little well. You put that on your belly button again with a heating pad, and that's the best way to have the castor oil absorbed into your skin. So it's very easy to use. It's like a band-aid. Okay, it has a nice little well on the inside. If you want to stick that on your chest, stick this around your knees if you're having any knee issues. That's the best way to use it, and it does work. It does bring you some comfort. And what I do sometimes is if I'm having, let's say, a mini spa day at home, I'm going to put a little bit of the castor oil in my belly button, massage it all over my stomach, and then I can rinse that out. And these little castor oil packs does work. Again, you can get these from Amazon. And again, 2 or 3 drops of castor oil in this little well over the belly button. You can go to bed, you can sleep as normal. It's not going to run, it's not going to spill over onto your blankets and your sheets and all of that. You can sleep comfortable with this and just remove it the next day. And there we be. So I am going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you enjoy this little haul today, this little video. And hope you guys will have a chance to pick up on 1 or 2 things as well. They will be down below in the description box. And don't forget to check out my blog. Things that I don't mention on this YouTube channel, you will obviously find them on my website, because sometimes there is just so much information to share. Please check out my website. The link is going to be down below for you guys. So we are going to leave it here for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming in, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.